So, hey guys, ready to grow something super fun with your body? So, let's talk about the garden friendship path in a Grow Garden Roblox. So, first thing first, try to find a friend who's willing to plant and grow with you. This path needs to people, so ask them nicely if they're in. So, once they agree, head over to the gear store. That's where you can buy the garden friendship path. But mine is currently out of stock right now, so you might need to check back later if it's not available for you yet. So, for example, let's assume that I already bought the garden friendship pad. So, here's what you need to do: go back to your garden plot and place it down. Then, invite your friend to your garden and click on the pot together. You'll both need to interact with it to activate it. So, what is the purpose of the friendship path? This path lets you and your friend grow a special plant together. It's not just cute, it's also boosts your friendship level in game and can unlock exclusive plants for item once fully grown. So grab your friend, share the joy, and let the friendship grow. And that's it.